Hello guys, in this session I will teach you about how to install the Altium in your system. For that we need to first the Altium file in our system. So I will be upload this Altium file in my Google Drive link. Using the below description you will be able to download this link. After downloading, simply extract that file in your system. After that, open the Altium Designer extracted file. Click on the setup, click on installer and install to a software. Simply click yes, next, accept this agreement, yes, next, click on touch sensor support also, next, next, yes, I want to participate, yes, and next. It will be installing the software started. It will take some times, so I will be stop the video. For the our installation process is on the last stage. You can show the installation completed. So after the installation you don't click on the run Altium Designer. Simply uncheck the folder this box and click on the Phoenix standalone license in the Altium software. So for that we need to go our D drive where the software zip file we will install. And here you can show this AD21 license. We need to copy all things here. Simply copy that and go to the local DC in program files in Altium, and here I will paste these things, all things. Also we need to be copy that file here from here to install in AD25. Keep note down these things, otherwise the software is not working. Copy that ss folder and paste this in here. Okay, again replace and continue. After that open the simply Altium. So you can show here basically we don't have any license version here, and no project file or anything making able to make. After the connect the click to connect the local server right either here, and the add standalone license file, click on that and go to the our local DC where we can upload the copy paste the file, this program file Altium license, and simply click the 3D JV or anything from here, open, and it's now connected to the server, and you can so we able to make the project and all things. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if any requirement from your side for the related PC design software, please comment